Carmen, and oops, it's focusing. Okay, what I want to show you is some crafty things I made for my crafty friends. We have a crafty meetup this weekend on Saturday, and yeah, I am overjoyed to go. So is that how you call it? Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And what I did was I made them very tiny little TNs, and I want to show you what I did. Sorry for the crinkling, I didn't close them. So this one I've made, it's all paper from a local store, and I laminated it, and I put a phrase on here that says, where there's a will, there's a way. I put how do you call it, feather charms on there, and these are dream catchers. It's very nice paper. It's from a local store, and when you open it, I made a pocket with a silhouette cameo where they can tuck things in there. There's now tags in there, and two inserts that I've made from the same paper, and I put in the insert just green paper. And this is the second one with all feathers and also green paper. And I made a little bit of a dashboard, and I tucked in some die cuts, and yeah, I hope they like that. And yeah, I thought it was very nice to for a little gift. And okay, the little ones take as much time as the big ones, but it's I think they are so cute to make, and nice to make as a gift for friends. So you can put it in your bag and put in little notes. And so this is this one. I made different ones. Oh, I made also this one, and it's it says always in my heart, and these is vellum paper, and I used it on the paper that I've used in here, and I put some magnets on there, so you can cut a tag like this and just score it in the middle and put magnets on both sides, and then you can close it like this and use it as a yeah, as an you can put it somewhere in your TN, and they know where they are, or just as a clip, or yeah, I like it. So it will be like this. Yeah. I have to make more, but so everybody has one, but I have time until Saturday. It's now Wednesday, so but this one I've made, and what I did was I didn't use the elastic in the middle. I used this bracelet elastic, and I put this one that I had a mustache on there, and I love it. So you can take it off like this, and then you have the book here. It's all nice hearts, also local paper, paper from local store, and I put in this pocket and this insert with pink paper, and this insert also, and then on the back is the dashboard. Is it called the dashboard? With die cuts in there. This is the tutorial from Live Love Scrap I followed, and it's very nice. I love it. I didn't put many other things in here because otherwise it gets too bulky, and it's just a little tiny notebook for your bag, and instead of the elastic from the middle, I used this one. You can put it on like this also. Yeah, very nice and cute. Yeah, sliders you can use. You can use other sliders too. Yeah, I love them. You can use the sliders from the other bracelets. They are nice. So if you have them in your stash, you can use them like this. I've made this one, this with the birdies, also local paper and elastic with a slider on there, and on the inside it's looking like this. They are all the same but different, and they have different um, dashboards. So that's that one. I made 5, so we're always ready, almost ready. And this one I did with the closure from the middle, the elastic, and it has some beads on there and a bird, and it's nice paper with flowers. And then when you open it, it has also a pocket in here and inserts like these. And this is the dashboard on the back. It has die cuts, paper clips, etc. So that's that one. Okay, is it the right? No, like this. Okay, that's this one. And then the last one, sorry for the printing. I put also the lipstick on I think it's a nice, yeah, you can do nice things with that too. You can use also beads with big openings and put it on there. It's very cute. So like this, just like little belly bands. And this is the inside of that book. I love this. This is a boho style, and like this. And this is uh, the insert, no, the dashboard. Yeah, and the back. You also can put other things, of course, in here. And yeah, I love it. So have to make some clips like these. So not done yet, but almost. I hope they will like it. So if you have questions, just let me know. I will answer you. And yeah, thank you for watching. And the tutorial is from Live, Love and Scrap. You can use that. I will put the link in the description box below. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye.